Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's take a look again at the euro currency, guys. Well, from the technical perspective, you can see that market has has confirmed our worries on the phantom chances on the possible upside action, as we said. Although hints on the possible appreciation on the euro currency have been formed recently, but as we said yesterday, we mostly gravitate to the opinion that downward action is more probable because this position has support, has some foundation background from the real financial situation in the Euro Union, the political problems, and in general the financial, the economy tensions that now are rising in Europe. The recent news on the closing of the South Stream project will impact on the European economy and will increase the tensions between the different countries inside Europe, because the eastern countries such as Hungary, Bulgaria and others, they have their own problems, and they such sort of the secondary countries that have joined to European Union recently, and they have to resolve their own financial problems. And the South Stream was really the huge positive project for economies of these countries. As the Brussels said, that the European Commission said that no compensating will be given to these countries due to the closing of this project, they have met with the real lack of the investments in the countries, and they will have to somehow resolve these problems, and that will increase the tensions inside of Europe itself, because in fact they will have to execute the wish of the Western countries, Western Europe, because the interest, the economic interest of the Eastern countries stand with the South Stream, and right now this will lead probably to some increasing of the political tensions, political disagreement with this concerning this project. So this, in general, this is not really positive moment. That's what's about the policy. But from the economical point of view, that's really also will be not very positive moment, since this will lead to some losses, approximately 3-4 billion euros, particularly in general, and particularly, for example, the 500 million euros will lost any company, this Italian gas company that really was one of the biggest partner with this project. So anyway, that's really not really good news, and this will press on the euro currency, and the euro currency probably will stand under pressure in a row with the other problems that right now exist in the European Union. That's just the episode, just the part in overall picture, but this is really significant. And I'm not surprised that maybe particularly this event recently was the trigger for a further downward continuation on the euro currency. From the technical point of view, we see that market has closed below the high wave pattern. That's confirming the downward action. So also market has moved below the weekly pivot point, below the monthly pivot point, and take a look. Trend had shift bearish. That confirmed that the downward action is more probable. The minimum target, as we said, of the bearish grabbers on the weekly chart is this low, but hardly market will stop here. Most probable target for the current week, I suppose, this will be the target of the bottom line. It's approximately 123 even area. That stands very close to the daily oversold, and probably it's very possible that this target could be reached in coming week, especially if we will get some corresponding comments from the European Central Bank. From that standpoint, if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see, first of all, this pattern that we have discussed yesterday, ABC top. You can see that CD leg is much faster than AB. If we'll calculate the target of this pattern as the ABCD, so you can see that the market just has completed this ABCD pattern, but as I said, this speed of this leg is a bit faster than this one. This probably we should be focused on the next target. It's 1618. It's interesting that 1618 of this ABCD pattern stands at the same area as the daily butterfly. It's approximately 123 even. Okay. Also, guys, take a look at this thrust down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candles to the downside. This thrust in general is acceptable for the Jet-Napoli pattern. If you take a look at the hourly chart, you will see that market right now has hit the weekly pivot support one. And theoretically, this thrust, market could form some rally, short-term rally to the upside as the retracement. Maybe this will be the brand bottom, maybe the double repo sell. Anyway, retracement hardly will be very significant, and from that standpoint, the area at 124, 124, 30 area is acceptable area where retracement could finish. And if we will get this rally, we could try to sell it just to join this bearish party with the target approximately at 123 even. If, of course, we will get this retracement. Also, this will be the previous lows, as you can see, so this probably will be the most probable level of the retracement target if it will happen. Well, but recent action, as you can see, confirms that we should be focused on the downward continuation, and the nearest target, as I said, probably will be around 123 even. Our extended target on the monthly time frame chart is still the same, it's 122.